Okay, Martin, last Saturday 1-1 against NAC Breda. It's now Monday. What kind of feeling do you have?
Optimistic. I would say we have an important game on Friday, so we have optimism in the squad, and we have to prepare for Friday, I think.
Okay, you made a few fantastic saves, but you seem to have a little injury. What was it?
I landed awkward I think it was after 30 minutes. I landed outside the pitch, but it's okay now. So just some treatment today and focus on the game for Friday.
So next Friday you will be fully recovered from your injury?
Yeah, it should be.
During the match, Robert Swinkels was doing his warming up. Did you have contact with him or the staff? How did it go?
Yeah, I had contact with Robert because I've also tried to sit on the bench, and it's not always nice to get on the pitch when you have not been warming up properly. So I tried to make it to halftime and gave Robert the best chance to get warm if he should play. But I got some painkillers in the halftime, so I could manage to play the rest of the game.
Okay. And after the match, you had to walk up the stairs, but it didn't go so well. How did you make the full 90 minutes? But after the game, you didn't even, you couldn't even walk up the stairs.
I think it's a part of the adrenaline going in your body. It was a very important game also, but we need tough guys in the team, so I have to be one of them maybe. So now. It's an important game, as I said, and we already had a man sent off, and we needed the fresh people to come on the pitch, so that was probably why.
Did the fans help you as well during the game?
Yeah, it doesn't matter what game. I think they help us in all the games. We have good fans, and as I said a few times, we need them, and we also need them at home, so I look forward for Friday, because we need the 12th man.